The date is the 18th of June 2025, 1:03 p.m. and we've got some strange clouds again. Just to the right of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. There we go. Very strange. That actually looks like an H for Hashe in the on that side with the cross next to it. Yep. All a bit weird. There's a sun above number 15 Harry Court. Sorry, number 13. I'm looking for Watchtower number. And then some strange clouds up there. And then they go across here, look. Looks normal in the north there, but above here, look at this. This is really weird. What's that all about? Supernatural again, no doubt. 17 letter parcels are being collected by Royal Mail today, going off to universities around the UK and the news media, with a 8GB memory stick to expose the Watchtower's false beliefs in a big way. I'm sure they'll be interested. Yeah, it's definitely a bit weird across there, look. And in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in Lincoln, UK. Anyway, I'm going to have a nice cup of tea now. See you later.